All right. So, Pranav, as you asked me that the you want to know about the basic difference between primary market and the secondary market. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So the thing is that let's suppose Pranav, uh, you already have a company. The name is Pranav and Sons Limited. Now there is private limited, Pranav and Sons Private Limited Company. So the limited company cannot raise the money from the public because majority of the holding and responsibilities bearable by the owner of the private limited company. But you want to expand your business. Let's suppose your own offices is running in the Mumbai, and you want to expand your business in the Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and any other part of the India. So you need to finance. So you have a separate or you have a various way to sourcing the finances. Like you can take a loan, you can go with a partnership, you can sell the assets which you already own, like land, property, golds, etc. Or you can go to the public. So if you want to go to the public, so public will ask you that what we will get. If let's suppose I am a public, so if I want to give you money, so what you would be give me against the money? So in that case, you would say, I'll give you ownership in my company. Okay, it means you will not longer a single owner of that company. A public will be also a owner of your company. It depends on the majority of the shares, how many money you have invested in a company, and how much money invested by the public. It depends on your sharing holding patterns. Now, you want to raise the money from the public. So where you need to go? You need to go at the primary market. So primary market is a market where you can raise the funds from the public. So apart from the fundraising, you cannot do any kind of things. It means, let's suppose Pranav required 1,000 crore rupees of funds to make a new plants or make a new building. Now 1,000 crore rupees would be divided into 10 rupees. It means that 100 crore shares will be issued to the public at the price of 10 rupees. Now, if you have invested 500 crore rupees and the remaining 500 crore rupees taken by the public, it means 50% owner is you and 50% owner is by public. So this is a primary market where the new share introduced to public to expand their business. Now I am a public, also I invested lots of money to in your company, but I want to sell my shares. I required my money. I am hoping a very good profit. I'm hoping a very good opportunity to invest somewhere else. Not I will do. I will wait to secondary market. These shares will be transferred to the secondary market for the trading purpose. In this manner, anybody can purchase the shares, sell the shares. So I can sell my shares, or if somebody want to purchase the shares, definitely they can purchase from the secondary market. So in the primary market, only the fundraising process will be happen, and the secondary market, that is called exchange. So your shares will be ready to trade between the buyers and seller, and buyer and sellers will decide your price will go up or down. It depends on the company performance. If your company's performance very good, your balance sheet is showing a very good profit, and you are a very good stage, so everybody wants to invest in your company. So your share price will get increased. But if you are in losses, your product is not get selling high, your balance sheet is not so much performing very well, so that everybody wants to withdraw the money, so they will sell the shares and your shares will go down. So it is all happen in the secondary market. So in the primary market, owner will sell the shares to the public to raise the funds. In the secondary market, these shares are ready to trade between buyers and sellers.
So
That's all.
basically, the difference is like the loss and profits because of the selling.
Exactly. It is all depend on the traders. Company will take on the money from the public. Now, these shares will depend on the business of the company. So company will not bear any kind of losses during the price up and down. The exact losses coming from the business of the company. If business is good, so definitely share price will rise. If business is not good, the share price will go down. That's why investor is very cautious about to find out the good company. If they invested money in the wrong company, in the bad company, so there are chances to lose all of the money in a single second. And if the company is very good, just like Reliance, HDFC, TCS, Wipro, you cannot imagine how much money Ford you are get multiplied by within 10 years or 5 years. Are you getting my point, Parno?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Any other questions? Pragya, Pratibha, Ona Soni.
No, sir.
If you don't have any questions, so we can move the or we can move to the today's session that is called broker. Guys, participate. If you do participation in the session, so that will be very grateful to us.
No
Else,
doubt,
the
sir.
recorded videos already available on the platform. Okay. So I'm presenting my screen for the today's topic that is called a broker. So in the broker, we will be discussing about the types of broker. Also, we will be discussing about the demat and trading accounts, how we can open the demat account, what are the criteria to open a demat account, and which are the big players in the broking industry who is running the market. So these all things we'll be discussing in the today's session. So I'm presenting my screen. Just 1 second. Okay, is it visible to you guys?
No, sir.
Great. So our today's topic is called broker. So what is a broker? A broker is an individual or firm that act as an intermediary between an investor and a security exchange. A broker can also refer to the role of a firm when it acts as an agent for a customer and charges the customer commission for its services. In a simple meaning, broker is a mediator between two parties who provide the facilities to meet the demand of buyer and seller. There are numerous brokers available in every industry. So let's take an example of real estate. If you want to purchase or sell your house and you are not able to find the good buyer or a seller, so you can take the help of broker. Broker will give you or show you multiple options where you can invest or where you can sell your property. For this kind of services, broker will charge a little bit fees that is known as a brokerage or commission. So broker is a middleman. In every industry, broker are present. So these are the main types of broker: stock brokers, insurance brokers, real estate brokers, and forex broker. So let's discuss about the stockbroker. Stockbroker are licensed intermediaries affiliated by particular stock exchanges in the country who perform trading on the behalf of the investor. It means if you want to invest in the stock market, so you cannot directly go to the NSC or BSC office. You cannot give the order that purchase my Reliance Industry or sell my HDFC Bank. No. The exchange will reply, we already have appointed a very good member of our exchange. That is known as stockbroker. You just need to go their offices and they will help you to purchase the shares or sell your shares. So this broker is known as a depository participant or called an exchange member. If you want to purchase a shares, so the broker will help you. For this kind of services, they will charge a commission on your transaction value. Ab, in India, there are two types of broker available: full service broker or discount broker. Full service broker are those broker who provide all-in-one deal when it comes to trading in the security market. In addition to provide a platform to trade, they also act as a personal financial advisor or a consultant. It means they will provide you hand handling services. You don't need to go anywhere to invest in multiple options. They will provide you financial advisor free of cost. They will provide you relationship manager where you can easily talk related to your KYCs, your stock condition, your portfolio performance, or any kind of knowledge you want to ask about the market. They will provide all the things in one place. But there is a second type of broker known as a discount broker. Discount broker who only provide a trading platform. They will not guide you, they will not suggest you, they will not provide you financial advisor. Just only mobile application or website will be available so that you can open an account. Then, as per your knowledge, as per your risk capacity, you can invest in the stocks, commodity, or currency. Nobody will assign you, nobody will give you suggestion or any kind of advices. So due to the reason their cost is very cheaper in compared to the full service broker. So discount broker brokerage is very low and full service brokers brokerage is very high because they are also providing add-on services. So I'm giving example: HDFC Securities, ICICI Direct, Motilal Oswal, Sher Khan, Swastika. These all are full service broker. So what about the discount broker? Zerodha, Angel One, Grow, 5 Paisa, Upstock. These are the discount brokers. It depends up to you through which broker you want to open an account, through which broker you want to invest in the stock market. It depends on your needs, your desires. Till the time, are you getting my point, guys? Any question between full service broker or discount broker? Tell me yes or no.
No, sir, it's quite clear.
No,
Yeah.
sir, clear.
So I'm giving like scenario. Let's suppose there's a person who is very experienced in the stock market, who doesn't require any kind of recommendation, any kind of financial advisor. He doesn't need. He want to invest 1 crore rupees in the stock market. Now, can you please help me through which broker he need to open an account? Full service broker or discount broker?
Discount brokers?
A discount broker.
Discount broker. Okay. What about your opinion, Pratibha and Pranav? Pratibha, Pranav, are you there?
Could you
Okay.
repeat the question?
There is a person who is very experienced in the stock market and he doesn't require any kind of recommendation or financial advisor. Hence, he want to invest in the stock market with 1 crore rupees. To whom he needs to open an account? Full service broker or discount broker? किसके साथ उसे अपना अकाउंट ओपन करना चाहिए? जीरोधा के साथ में या मोतीलाल के साथ में? Your mic is open, but your voice is not coming. Okay, Pragya, could you please tell me why you are choosing the discount broker?
Sir, because discount brokers only provide you a platform for the stock trade, while the full service broker will give you advices on where and which company stock should you invest. And since somebody, given that the person is very experienced, he doesn't need all those recommendations and advisory, and uh, that will be unnecessary expenditure on his part to have a full service broker, and that is why better to have a discount broker.
Okay, all right. Okay, Pranav is saving in the chat box. It is a discount broker. Okay. So as per my experience, if somebody asks me in that scenario, I would suggest full service broker, not a discount broker. You will surprised after listening my words, but it's true. I would suggest full service broker. The reason is that let's suppose Pragya, you have a 1 crore rupees. You are already experienced in the stock market and you are putting your money in the intraday trading. Intraday trading means you need to purchase the shares and sell the shares on the same day. You will not carry the shares on the next day or day after tomorrow. So if your mobile application get stuck, your internet is not working and you want to close your position but you're not able to close a position because your mobile application is like getting error or any kind of problem occurs in the mobile. Now what will happen? You will get in a deeply loss. Instead of it, if you open the account with a full service broker, so you can contact your RM, you can contact your financial advisor that I'm facing the problem in my mobile application. Please close my position immediately. So your RM will pick your call in a single ring and close your entire position within seconds. So that is the benefit of the full service broker. If your RM not picking call, you can contact to the branch number. If the branch is not picking call, you can contact to the head office. That is a centralized helpline number. So there are multiple options you have. But for the discount broker, you have only a customer care number. And let's suppose everybody facing the same problem with the mobile application and everybody is trying to contact with the customer care. So definitely you would be in the queue. And until till the you are contacted with the executive, you are in the deeply losses. That is the reason many of the big traders or high net worth investors wants to choose full service broker instead of discount broker. But if you are an investor type of person, you just want to invest the money. You don't want to do trading. You just don't want to take any kind of intraday risk. Then you can choose a discount broker. But if you are doing trading, you need to go with a full service broker because they provide extraordinary services in compared to discount brokers. Now, are you getting my point, Pragya?
Yes, sir, I get the point.
Still any questions?
No, sir, now it's completely clear.
Okay. Pranav, do you have any question? Okay. Let's move on to the second slide. That is insurance broker. So insurance broker also doing work with the stock broker. If you want to take a good policy for your financial assets, for your car, or even your health and life, so you can go with the insurance broker. If you are not able to pick a very good insurance policy, as you don't have a very good knowledge about insurance, so you can take the help of insurance broker. Insurance broker will analyze your needs, your expectation, and your financial conditions. As per these all aspects, they will suggest a better insurance policy. Number third, real estate broker. You already know about it. That real estate broker is a person who provide the facility to buying or selling in uh, houses, buildings, real estate, or any kind of rental property. So you can approach to him. Now the next broker is called forex broker. If you are very keen about the global market, you have very interest in the global currency, and you want to trade in the dollar, euro, Japanese yen, or pound, so you can take the help of forex broker. They will provide you platform to invest or trade in currencies. So if you want to do trade with the NSE or BSC, it means you want to invest in the currency market through the exchanges. So only four currencies are available: dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and pound. Only four currency will available. But if you want to invest in dirham, or if you want to invest in Singapore dollar or Australian dollar, so then you need to choose a different platform. Over the exchanges, only four currency will be applicable. Yes, Pranav, any question?
So it basically is a platform for global marketing for in the currency of US dollars, INR, euros, and Japanese currency.
Exactly. So usually a stockbroker is also known as a forex broker because stockbroker also have a license to trade in forex market. So less like ICC Director, Motilal Oswal, Swastika, Sher Khan, these all full service brokers have a license to provide the trading or investing facilities in currencies, forex or commodity as well. So if you open the demat account with the one of the best broker, so they will provide you all in one services in a single platform, in a single roof. You don't need to open account with a different broker for the different assets classes. Is it clear, Pranav? Okay, so in simple way, a broker is a person or a firm who provide the facilities to trade or invest in the separate market against a brokerage. And these brokers depend on the broker's type. So if you're talking about a discount broker, so usually discount broker not taking the brokerage on the delivery mode. Delivery mode means you are investing your money for the long term. They will not take any kind of brokerages. But if you want to trade same day trading, you want to invest or trade in the derivative market, that is call or put option, then you need to pay only 20 rupees per order, max to max, irrespective of quantity. Whereas if you do trade with the full service broker, they will charge percentage basis commission. Whatever you have invested, they will charge on percentage basis. So for example, if the brokerage is 0.30%, 0.30% for the delivery. So if you purchase 1 lakh rupees shares with the full service broker, so you need to pay 300 rupees as a brokerage because 0.30% of 1 lakh rupees is 300 rupees. एंड डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर के लिए आपको कितना पे करना पड़ा? जीरो. तो डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर में आपको फायदा मिलता है कि अगर आप एक इन्वेस्टर हैं तो आप डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर की तरफ जा सकते हैं, पर अगर आप एक ट्रेडर हैं तो फिर आप फुल सर्विस ब्रोकर पर जा सकते हैं क्योंकि दे हैव मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइडिंग एडवाइजिंग, सजेस्टिंग और टिप्स. इट डिपेंड ऑन योर चॉइस, इट डिपेंड ऑन योर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ द मार्केट. Now, what is demat and trading account? So basically, demat account, it means demat is a short form of dematerialization. Dematerialization means a things, a product which cannot be touchable, which cannot be fillable. You just can see this product. If I talking, if I'm giving the scenario of 20 to 30 years back, in that time the trading will happen with a physical manner. It means you got the certificate of the shares. There is a paper, there's a document of paper. If you hold a shares of any company, you get the certificate of the shares. Now there's a higher risk to stolen, destroy by water or fire or any misplacing of the certificate of the shares. To mitigate or reduce this kind of risk, exchange came up with a new idea. All these physical certificate of the shares will converted into electronic format. So all shares has been converted into electronic shares. Now, earlier we can easily keep our shares in the pocket because that was in a physical format. But what about the electronic format shares? We cannot keeping in the purse, we cannot keeping in the pocket. To keeping the shares, exchange comes with the demat account, just like a bank account. So if you want to store your shares, if you want to store your mutual funds or bonds, you can easily kept in a demat account. So demat account is account who provide the facilities to hold your shares in an electronic format. So what are the things you can keep in a demat account? Shares, bonds, mutual funds, and ETF. ETF means exchange traded funds. So you can easily keep in a demat account. That's why a demat account is compulsory to open if you are doing investment or trading in the stock market, because all are the things are trading in the electronic format. So what about the trading account? So basically, trading account is account which is opened by the broker to placing the order online. If you want to place this, if you want to buy the shares online, you have a trading account. If you don't have a trading account, so you cannot purchase the shares, because trading account provide the facilities to transfer the fund from bank to your account and your account to the bank's account. Apart from that, you can research about the stocks. You can get the suggestion, tips, and advising in the same mobile application. So for the layman person, demat and trading both are the same. But as an expert, you need to identify the difference between demat account and the trading account. Any questions related to demat and trading account?
So, could you please explain the trading account once again?
Trading account. Let's suppose you
Yes.
open the account with Zerodha. Okay. So when you completing your KYC, your both account will open simultaneously. Demat account and trading account. So your mobile application called the trading account, through which you can purchase the shares, sell the shares. Once your order get placed of the buying, the next day your shares will be delivered in the demat account, and that will be secure. Nobody can install, nobody can transfer the shares one account to demat account without your permission. So trading account is an account through which you can purchase the share or sell the shares. Okay. For an example, I have opened the account with Zerodha, and I want to purchase the shares of Reliance Industry. So what I'll do, I just transferring the money from my saving bank account to the Zerodha account. Let's suppose 1 lakh rupees has been transferred from my bank account to the Zerodha account. Now I want to purchase the share Reliance Industry. So what I will do, I will open the mobile application, search the Reliance Industry, place the buy order, and my share get purchased. So that is called a trading account. Now the next day, next working day, my share will be delivered in my demat account. So I'll become the shareholder of the Reliance Industry. After 10 days, I'm looking my mobile application that I have a very good profit. I want to book it now. So what I will do, again, I will sell the shares from Zerodha mobile applications and get the place order of sale. Now these shares will be withdrawn from demat account on another day. So demat account is a go down where goods are keeping, and trading account is a shop where all the transaction or operational activities has been performing. Are you getting my point, Pragya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear now.
Okay, so your mobile application is called trading account, and your backend account is known as a demat account where your shares and mutual funds are keeping. So these are the several difference between demat and trading account. Basically, trading account is opened by the broker, but the demat account is opened by the depositories. There are two depositories, CDSL and NSDL. CDSL is governed by the BSE, and NSDL is governed by the NSE. Okay. Normally or usually there is no charge to open a trading account. But if you open the demat account, you need to pay account maintenance charges or annual maintenance charges, whether you are doing trading or not. You need to pay on yearly basis. On the yearly basis, you need to pay AMC for the demat account. But for the trading account, you don't need to pay any extra money. trading account is gateway to enter in the stock exchange, but demat account is a compulsory requirement to invest in the stocks, mutual fund, ETF, and bonds. So this is the table which I am representing to you. Any question, any doubt, any terminologies? I want to trade on intraday basis. I have only a trading account. Do I need to open demat account? Can you tell me? I want to trade in intraday basis. I already have a trading account. Do I need to open a demat account separately? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, because it is compulsory, right, to have this demat account in order to trade or invest in the stock market.
But the answer is no. Pragya, the thing is that demat account is only using to keeping your shares. If I'm purchasing the shares and selling the shares on the same day, so there is like zero balance in my demat account. So I don't require any kind of demat account. I can happily and happy with the trading account itself. But if I want to hold my shares for the long term, then I need to open a demat account. मैं अगर इंट्राडे ही ट्रेड कर रहा हूं, मैंने आज ही शेयर खरीदा और आज ही बेच दिया, तो मेरे पास कोई बैलेंस तो बचा ही नहीं शेयर्स का. मैं जो प्रॉफिट होगा वो मेरे अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा, जो लॉस होगा वो मेरे फंड में से माइनस हो जाएगा. तो मैं ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट से सफिशिएंट अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ. बट अगर मैं अपने शेयर्स को होल्ड करना चाहता हूँ कल के लिए, परसों के लिए, 10 साल के लिए, 50 साल के लिए, तो फिर मुझे डीमेट अकाउंट की जरूरत होगी. प्रणव ने क्या कहा है? बिकॉज इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड अलॉन्ग विद द ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. नहीं, प्रणव यूजुअली जब आप अकाउंट ओपन करते हैं तो आप अपने ब्रोकर को बोल सकते हैं. वैसे ब्रोकर पूछता नहीं है, आजकल ऑटोमेटिकली डीमेट और ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट दोनों ओपन हो जाते हैं. फिर भी जब आप डीमेट ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन करते हो ना, तो वहां पर एक ऑप्शन आता है, क्या आप सिर्फ डीमेट अकाउंट ओपन करना चाहते हैं या ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट भी ओपन करना चाहते हैं? देयर इज ऑप्शन. यूजुअली ये डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, पर जो फुल सर्विस ब्रोकर होते हैं वो ऑप्शन देते हैं कि आपको डीमेट अकाउंट ओपन करना है कि ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन करना है कि दोनों ओपन करना है. दिस अप टू यू. देयर इज अनदर एग्जांपल. आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ डीमेट अकाउंट विद Zerodha. Now I'm assuming that the Motilal is providing very good services in terms of share suggesting, advising, or a service part. Now I also do trading with the Motilal as well, but I already have an account with Zerodha. In that condition, I don't require to open another demat account with Motilal. I can map my demat account with the Motilal and easily can trade it at a Motilal platform because I open only trading account with Motilal and demat account is already open with the Zerodha. So demat account will be universal account. You can open multiple trading account with a multiple broker with the same demat account. So it's up to you whether you want to open separately demat account with every broker or you want to attach your one demat account with any other broker. It's up to you. So demat account is known as wallet. A wallet will be one, but application will be different or may be different. प्रज्ञा, बात समझ में आ रही है? प्रणव, ओना सोनी, कि क्या डीमेट और ट्रेडिंग
Yes,
अकाउंट
sir.
होता है? ठीक है. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने अगर दो ग्रुप के साथ में अकाउंट ओपन करना है तो दोनों जगह पे डीमेट अकाउंट ओपन करने होंगे. आप एक जगह पे डीमेट अकाउंट ओपन करके भी उस अकाउंट को आप दूसरे ब्रोकर के साथ में मैप्ड कर सकते हो. सो आपका क्या बेनिफिट होगा? आपके अकाउंट मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस बच जाएंगे, क्योंकि अगर हर ब्रोकर के साथ में आप अपना सेपरेट डीमेट अकाउंट ओपन करोगे तो एवरी ईयर आपको हर ब्रोकर को अकाउंट मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस देने पड़ेंगे. इससे बेटर है एक जगह पे डीमेट अकाउंट ओपन करा लें और मल्टीपल जगह पे आप ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन करा लें. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन करने के चार्जेस यूजुअली होते नहीं है, तो आप एक ही जगह से मल्टीपल सर्विसेज ले सकते हैं. Modes of trading. So if you want to do trade in the stock market, there are two types of mode of trading. offline trading and online trading. If you are very proficient the mobile handling or mobile applications, so you can go with the online trading. But you are a very retired person or you are not used to mobile, you are believing on the traditional method, so you can go with the telephonic order or walk-in method. It means that या तो आप अपने ब्रोकर को कॉल कर सकते हो शेयर बाय करने के लिए या सेल करने के लिए, या फिर उसको ऑफिस में बैठ के उसको बोल सकते हो कि भाई मेरा शेयर बाय कर लो या फिर मेरा शेयर सेल कर लो. So which one is faster, online trading or offline trading?
Online.
Online trading, yes, because uh, the dependency will be not lying on the another person. You can easily purchase the share, sell the share by your own. But for the offline trading, आपकी डिपेंडेंसी सामने वाले एग्जीक्यूटिव के ऊपर है. जब तक कि वो आपको ऑर्डर प्लेस नहीं करेगा तब तक आपका ऑर्डर प्लेस नहीं होगा. So these are the steps to open a demat and trading account with any other broker. I am taking an example of Swastika Investment Limited. So you have two choices, right? Whether you can go with the online process or go with the offline process. If you choose offline process, so you need to submit the physical document at the broker office and it will take 15 days to open your account. But if you choose online facility, so there will require 5 to 10 minutes to process the KYC requirement and the account will open within 1 day. 24 आवर्स में आपका अकाउंट ओपन हो जाएगा और 5 से 10 मिनट में आपकी केवाईसी प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. तो वेदर यू कैन डाउनलोड द मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन ब्रोकर फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर और ऐप स्टोर और यू कैन गो टू डायरेक्टली ब्रोकर्स वेबसाइट. व्हाट आर द डॉक्यूमेंट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड? नंबर 1 आधार, number 2 PAN. That would be mandatory document. If you don't have a PAN card or Aadhaar card, you cannot open a demat or trading account from anywhere broking houses. It is mandatory. But if you are saying that, sir, we are minor, हम तो minor हैं, हमें अकाउंट ओपन करना है, हमारे पास आधार नहीं है, पेन नहीं है, तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? So that the guardian will produce the documents on behalf of you. आप गार्जियन की मदद से, पेरेंट्स की मदद से अपना डीमैट और ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन कर सकते हो. बट द थिंग इज दैट यू कैन नॉट डू ट्रेडिंग इन द अकाउंट्स, यू कैन जस्ट ओनली इन्वेस्ट इन द अकाउंट्स. आपके गार्जियन भी ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर पाएंगे, वो सिर्फ इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं उस अकाउंट के थ्रू. वंस यू गेट द मैच्योर, आप 18 साल के ऊपर हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद आप अपने खुद के नाम का डीमैट ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन कर सकते हैं, जहां पर आप ट्रेडिंग भी कर पाएंगे और इन्वेस्टमेंट भी कर पाएंगे. So this is the process to open demat and trading account. Any questions related to open demat trading account process? Yes or no? Yes. So these are the top stock brokers of India: Swastika, Zerodha, Upstock, HDFC Securities, Paytm, Grow, Kotak Securities, Angel Broking. Now the new name is Angel One. Angel Broking is a formerly name of Angel One. So you can Acha, could you please suggest me which one are one of them discount broker? इनमें से कौन से हैं जो डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर हैं?
Sir, Grow.
Grow, okay. And
I think Paytm is also a discount broker.
yes, Paytm is also discount broker. Any other? Upstock, Grow,
Zerodha.
Zerodha, Angel Broking, Paytm Money, these are the discount broker. HDFC Securities, and this is the icon of I, that is ICICI Direct, Kotak Securities, Swastika. These are the full service broker. So this is all about from me for today's. I hope you enjoy the sessions and you must take a very good knowledge from the brokers participants. If any questions, you can ask me. Any question, Pragya, Pranav, Onna Soni?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay, not an issue. I already recorded this video. If you want to rewatch this video, it will be easily available on the UR platform. And I'm requesting to everyone, please watch all recorded video so you can synchronize the next topic. If you do not watch the previous video, it will be very difficult to understand the next topic because every day the topic will get advanced. जब तक बेसिक आप नहीं समझेंगे आप एडवांस नहीं समझ पाएंगे, इसलिए सारे वीडियो देखना स्टार्ट करिए. Till the time, if any questions, any doubt, just write down it on the diary, on a paper. हम नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन में जब मिलते हैं तब आप मेरे से सारे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं, सो दैट कि आपको एक बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिल पाए मार्केट के बारे में, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग के बारे में और फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के बारे में. So till the time, thank you so much guys to join this session and I'm very appreciate कि आपने शुरू से लेकर एंड तक बिल्कुल पेशेंटली सारी चीजों को समझा और अंडरस्टैंड किया. हम दोबारा मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन में, तब तक के लिए सारे वीडियो वॉच करते रहिए. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू. गुड नाइट.